So to start this off, obviously Hannah Hart did the whole drunk cooking thing first. But anyways, I just wanted to kind of make a little bit more of like a budget vegan cooking show to show you that you can recreate this good shit using that good shit. So, alright, without further ado, what's up, whackers? Oh my god. Today we're gonna be making some fucking In-N-Out. You ever hear about In-N-Out, man? Gonna make it vegan. I know that this show's about like making vegan food on a budget, but I'm a hypocrite. I bought these Beyond patties, which are expensive as shit. But yeah, anyway, so we're making the standard In-N-Out burger, and we're also making it with, we're gonna be making vegan sweet potato animal fries, and it's gonna be some good shit. Okay, drinking PBR because I play in an emo band. Alright, so the recipe for this, I'm trying my best, I swear to god I am. I should have prepared for this a little more. Preheat the oven. Hell yeah, man. I think it's 18 to 22 minutes, bitch, that's a long time. I'm pissed that I said 425 but not 420. Well, my tummy is so fucking unorganized. I can barely cook sober. I don't know why I was like, I'm gonna cook drunk. Motherfuckers look like carrots. Alright, anyway, so you're gonna wanna put your fries on this, on a pan. Oh shit, rocket's hitting me. So you're gonna take your patties, and then you're gonna wanna season them a little bit. Gotta make sure you wash your hands, cause I'm a dirty son of a bitch.
Little Timmy going upstream for a second.
What's the over-under on Jack throwing up tonight?
Oh my god!
Somebody play Buy You a Drink by T-Pain.
Got you.
But
Buy you a drink! Alright, back to cooking. So you're gonna wanna season your patties. I'm doing the best I can, motherfucker. I drank a lot back to back. So yeah, you just wanna season your patties a little bit. Just gotta make it taste good and you flip it over a little bit. Why my phone vibrating? Don't talk to me. I got pea protein all over my hands.
You have to throw some over your shoulder.
Man, my kitchen is gonna be a fucking mess after this. So you're gonna wanna add salt and pepper. I forgot that this is like supposed to be a tutorial thing. I'm just hanging out with my friends. Having a good time with my friends. So yeah, you're gonna wanna season your patties. It's taken me like 10 years to do this because I'm fucking, but you know, because you don't fucking, god damn it, dude. See, that's a cool thing about Beyond Burgers is that you can fix them, right? I'm a surgeon. I'm a licensed surgeon. Wack, jagner, MD. Oh my god, I can't wait to fucking boost those fucking screens and just destroy everybody that lose anybody that's like, oh, maybe this will be entertaining, and then just fucking right hook to the jaw. Alright, I'm starting to sober up a little bit and like become cognitive again. I'm gonna do more shots in a second whenever we finish doing all these preps. Yeah, anyway, so you're gonna wanna season your shit. It's gonna be fucking boring. Make sure you get it all in there. You don't wanna be fucking and just gotta do it. Put that on a shirt, motherfucker. That's not where the spices go. But it's where they go now, baby. Let's see, what shot glass should we use? Should we get the standard Las Vegas Dice on Fire? Or should we get the classic Dinosaurs Fucking? I think I'm gonna go with the Dinosaurs Fucking. Whenever your oven finishes preheating, you gotta put it in the oven, but I'm a dumb motherfucker and I threw the bag away, so let me get the time. 18 to 22 minutes.
Shit, what the
Oh no.
What the hell?
So you're gonna take your fries and you're gonna wanna throw them in the oven for 18 to 22 minutes according to the bag. So, start. Cancel. No, No, stop the timer. Stop it. Stop. Stop. Okay, bake. 4:25. Start. This oven needs to shut the fuck up. We did it! Woo! Alright. So anyways, it's time to do another shot out of the dinosaurs having sex shot glass. Woohoo! Okay, so you're gonna want to take some vegetable oil because you're gonna want to grill your onions. The way I do it is I just put a little. I think this is, I don't know. This isn't how you're supposed to grill onions, I think. I don't know, they're called grilled onions. I don't know shit about cooking. I shouldn't do. So you're gonna want to put your vegetable oil in the pan. I put it on about medium heat. And then I'm gonna bring all of my vegetables over here. I'm gonna bring the knife too. So now I'm grilling some onions, because grilled onions make everything taste better. And I'm also gonna do it in the same pan that I cook the burgers in, because you just want to get that flavor in there, you know? Adds flavor. So you're gonna want to throw your onions in the pan. You're gonna want to start throwing them. Well, I guess this is technically frying onions, sauteing, whatever you want to call it. Like I said, I'm not a big fancy Joe Schmo cooking boy. So you're gonna want to flip your onions a little bit, and you're gonna want to get them to a good sear, a good brown. You're gonna get a good brown on them, and you're gonna. I like to use a spatula for this, just to toss them around a little bit, and then I also toss them around in the pan. You know, because it just looks cool. You feel good while you're doing it. And it's just some good shit, you know what I'm saying? So, I accidentally thought I shouldn't cook while I'm done food. I can already tell this is going to end terribly. I can also already tell that I didn't cook enough onions. This is a disaster! I'll just cook for a second. How's your day? Tell me how your day was. I just wanted to say I love you. You're the only person I know right now. Everything else around you is blurry. I feel like this is a dramatic moment. I'm about to start crying because I'm so entranced in your deep gaze. Welcome to ASMR with Wack Jagner. Today we're going to be pan frying onions. Just ignore me. Don't pay attention to me right now. I don't exist outside of your current attention. If anybody even watches this video, I doubt it. Who gives a fuck about me? Nobody does. And then see, this is why I don't drink, because I get sad. I'm gonna become a sad boy.
No.
I'm not sad. There's so many onions flying out of the pan, dude. Dude, so many onions. Shout out to these onions for like falling back in the pan, because the ones is so hot. Moral of the story is do not cook while you're drunk. Unless you're me, because there's no moral to the story here. The moral of the story here is that I can't cook, I think is what I'm getting at. And you're gonna throw them in a bowl. Ow! Ow! Grab some hot shit. Let's cook the burgers! Welcome to Cooking Mama. My name is Jack Wagner, and it's time for Cooking Mama. You're gonna grab your oil. Again, more medium. So now, see what's fucking sick is that you already pan fried your onions in here. So you just want to add some oil. I added way too much because I'm drunk. You're gonna move these fucking pussy ass vegetables out of the way, and you're gonna want to grab what matters, your fake meat. Gonna wait until the oil heats up a little bit. See, what's tight about cooking the onions first is that bad boys loosen up flavor. They leave flavor. I bought Follow Your Heart American cheese for this because In-N-Out uses American cheese. I've never eaten this. I don't know how good it is, so we're about to find out. So let's cook these burgers, bad boys. You're also gonna want to bring your buns over. And now the way I'm gonna end up doing this is I totally forgot to prep this because I'm drunk. Here, hold on. You're actually gonna turn your pan off for a second so you don't smoke your oil. And you're gonna get your buns ready because you're gonna end up putting some margarine on those bad boys and you're gonna cook them in a separate pan and it's gonna be good. It's like when you're making grilled cheese, but you're not making grilled cheese and it's gonna be fucking tight. So it's time to make some fry sauce and the best fries are done! When oven mitt. So you're gonna wanna get your oven mitt. And you're gonna want to pull the fries out of the fridge, out of the oven. Alright, so you're gonna need your french fries to cool down because they're warm. And while you do that, you're gonna want to make your sauce. You're gonna want to make the In-N-Out sauce. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna steal a recipe from the internet. Make sure you clean your mug and then you dry your mug because you don't want any water in your mayonnaise.
That's a measuring cup.
Your measuring cup. So you're gonna make sure you dry your measuring cup, you clean your measuring cup, you have a clean measuring cup, and then you're gonna want to take, I use Best Foods vegan mayo, personally, because it's cheap and I'm broke. So you're gonna open it, it's fresh, and you're gonna lift and peel. It's a lot of work. And then you're gonna wanna make the recipe. So I'm following this recipe off of popsugar.com. That calls for animal In-N-Out fry sauce. It's half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of ketchup, 2 tablespoons dill pickles, finely chopped. All right, listen. Here's the deal. I don't have any measuring cups. Like I have this Pyrex thing. That's it. So everything else is by eye. So I'm just gonna do the best I can. 2 tablespoons dill pickles, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. So let's start with half a cup of mayonnaise. So you're gonna dump this into your bowl, and then you're gonna add half a cup of ketchup. I bought this Hunt's tomato ketchup. It's unopened, so I gotta do it is open. So you're gonna close your ketchup back up. Good morning, gamers. We had some issues while we were making the fry sauce or special sauce or whatever, In-N-Out sauce, but this is what it looks like whenever you're done. I added a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder to the recipe, but just like half a tablespoon, so that's what I'd recommend. So let's go ahead and we are going to cook the burgers now, and it's gonna be some good shit. So to go ahead and fly over here with me. All right, so you're going to put your pan on medium. We're going to go ahead and we are going to throw our Beyond Burger in. I've sobered up a little bit, but I'm still drunk. I like to fry it a little bit. Make sure you get that oil up on the sides. So, because Beyond Burgers have a tendency to be a little bit pink in like the middle and stuff like that, or on the edges, just to make it look a little bit more like a burger. That, like I said, that's just a personal thing, but you know. And then while you're cooking this, go ahead and if you really want to get that true In-N-Out flavor in there, heat up a second pan, butter all of your buns like this, and you're just going to want to go ahead, throw them in there and just toast them a little bit. So, another thing I recommend after you cook your Beyond Patty, I recommend vegan cheese doesn't melt too well. So I recommend just microwaving it for like 10 to 15 seconds, just because that'll melt the cheese a little bit. Makes it taste a little bit better in my opinion. Of course, everything is objective, or subjective. It's all up to you, you know? After you get it, you're gonna wanna take it, you're gonna wanna take your patty, you're gonna wanna put it onto your bun. Oh boy. Okay, so you put it onto your bun. Take your grilled onions. Wait, how does? Oh, okay. If I remember correctly from the way In-N-Out does it, you're gonna want to take your lettuce, put that on top, then your tomato. No, they totally do grilled onions first. Hell yeah, man. So you're gonna want to move your lettuce out of the way, and then where's my onions? Here's my onions. So you're gonna want to take your onions and put some of them, all the ones that aren't burnt, because you cooked while you were drunk and because you're a stupid motherfucker. You're gonna put those on the burger, and then you're gonna put the rest of the shit back on. And then you're gonna want to take some of the fry sauce that you made in the background. Like I said, link in the description. God bless Pop Sugar, whatever that website is for making this recipe. And then you just want to put a little bit onto your toasted patty. And then you are going to put that together. And boom, that's it for the burger. So, God bless. Now you have your own homemade In-N-Out burger. Just trim the lettuce a little bit because there's a little too much on it. So once you have that done, see, don't that look appetizing, dog? Look at that shit. That looks so good. Honestly, I wouldn't even be able to tell that's vegan. I'm so drunk. Okay. Alright, so now we are going to get to the animal fries. So now, you are going to take a container of your choosing. I am choosing this ceramic bowl. This is falling apart so fucking quickly. And you're gonna put some fries in there. Or something like that. And then you're gonna want to take a slice of cheese and you're gonna want to put it on it. Wait, no. And then you're gonna take some onions and you're gonna put them on there. And then you're gonna take a cheese. And I'll probably microwave it or something. I'm kind of like going with it. I didn't think this part out a whole lot. I'm gonna microwave it. It's gonna be.
Okay.
So yeah, you're gonna want to melt the cheese on there a little bit. Ooh, it's not melted. So you're gonna want to microwave for another 10 seconds for a total of like 25. For a total of like 25 seconds or something. Yeah, that's good. So then you got your own homemade vegan animal fries, kind of. Vegan cheese doesn't smell like real cheese or whatever, so take it as you will. But anyways, here's the meal. Here's the meal. Alright, here's the meal. You have your burger down here that you can't lift up because it keeps falling apart. And then you have your animal fries.